In today's video, we're going to take a look at the weekly chart of the euro, and this is the FX data rather than the futures data. And I do want to show you that we're up against a very important area of resistance here. Now, just because it's important resistance doesn't mean it's definitely going to hold, but you want to anticipate that possibility and trade against it as long as we hold underneath this area. But this cluster pretty much comes from taking all of these prior rally swings within the downtrend and then projecting them from the recent low. And then there's also an overlap of a 618 retracement of the previous high to low. So this is the general area. It's kind of wide, but I'm not saying that you should, short it here and risk to above here, but you can, short it and maybe risk above the recent high at that one. Well, actually, I'm not even sure if I have the levels here correctly, but this is the prior swing high that you can define your risk above, or you can go down to a lower time frame chart and say as long as we stay underneath this general area, that you can take the sell triggers and then you can define your risk above some of the intraday swings, if that's a better way for you to look at it. But bottom line, if this is a more important resistance, I would expect at least a pullback to this last low. It may not give you another full swing to the downside, but at least I'd expect, a pullback maybe to the area of the 618 retracement. Let me see where that is. That comes in here, and let me try this one other projection. Yeah. Okay, so bottom line, I do have very important resistance within a downtrend on the weekly chart, so I am going to look to take my sell triggers. You can also look at something like FXE, and yeah, that's about it.